You're shit at being a bird. Be a bird better.
He's getting struggling.
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Prick. No.
Go home.
I thought if only.
You can't perch for shit.
You talking to me? You actually
Yeah. Yeah. You. Bird.
Is it what?
What's he doing? What a fucking idiot. It's when you saw it like on his side completely.
That's my idea, let's do it.
Bird off. Fight!
Oh, Jesus, you're such an idiot. Oh, God. Sort it out. What? He's upside down. Yeah, that's right. Just go there. Just chill out.
Oh fucking shit, mate!
Shit, try again, mate.
Oh dear.
I think he feels a bit embarrassed.
He's turning his back on us.
I think he's embarrassed.
So he should be.
So he should be. Named and shamed.
Oh.
I think he's sorted now. I think he's sorted himself out. Got his act together.
Oh, is he gone?
Yeah, final straw. Fuck
Oh,
you
he's
guys.
left.
Fuck you.
I can still see him somewhere. Where is he? There he is! I think. Dick bird.